Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Agriculture Studies. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective of the scheme is to sponsor students for undergoing 4 years undergraduate course in agriculture, horticulture against state quota seats in different agriculture universities in the country. What is the type of assistance? Entitlement. Monthly stipend at Rs 1200 and book grant at Rs 1200 per academic year. Who can apply for the scheme? Students who are permanent residents of the state who have passed 10+2 in science stream with 55% aggregate marks for general and OBC category and 40% aggregate marks for SC/ST obtained in class 12 board examination with physics, chemistry, biology and English as compulsory subjects. The applicants should qualify for ICAR AIEEA conducted by NTA. How to apply for state quota, BSc Honours, Agricultural BSc Honours, Horti seats. Students can apply online from the department website www.meghalture.gov.in or https://megedistrict.gov.in. What is the selection procedure? Selection is based on ICAR, AIEEA and other conditions mentioned above and on the state reservation policy. Whom to contact? Applicants are advised to follow the advertisements which usually appear during May to June in major newspapers of the state or visit department website www.megedistrict.gov.in or https://megedistrict.gov.in.